Oh, looks like that plate will go. Did you try the art?
Thank you, Mama.
What a delicious meal you made for your baby.
Thank you, bye.
Are you off to work? You gonna clean up first? It is nice to come home to a clean house, huh?